That's the fantastic thing about nature. Look at the trees. I have a tree right here in front of me, and when you look at the way the branches are, right, it's not necessarily symmetric, right? But that unevenness is what gives it its beauty, right? I want to say that unevenness gives it its spontaneity. Freeform locks, among all the other types of locks, give you that raw, natural, untainted, not manipulated experience, right? And the result or the end result is this beautiful mane. Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Locs, and I'm Emmanuel, and today I'll be responding to a question from a subscriber. Okay, I'm looking for it again. G War, yes, it reads, I want freeforms. My hair is very coarse. It grows super uneven. Should I let it just grow or keep cutting it even? Alright. Thank you, Gio, by the way, for watching and for responding to my videos. I really do appreciate that, guys. I'm hoping that you're staying locked on your journey. So he's addressing today's topic, which is why are my freeform locks uneven? What should I do about it, or should I even do something about it? Right? So he's asking. The first thing he says is that his hair is coarse. He thinks it's freeforms. Yeah, he wants freeforms, exactly. So I'm guessing that he's still starting his journey. He or she is still starting their journey, right? But the thing that he or she's focusing on is that they are uneven, right? It grows super uneven, and they're asking if they have to cut it so that it becomes even. This is a very interesting reaction, a very interesting question right there. So the first thing I'm thinking about is this. Here are my fingers, right? We all have, like, if you have a normal hand, you have 5 fingers on a hand, right? So the thing is, you notice here, they're not all even, right? But you see, each finger is really specific when it comes to functionality, right? Each of them has a function when it has to do with gripping. If you don't have a thumb, right, that's very important. You can't grip things easily, right? You need that thumb. So you see, aesthetically, even, by the way, you see it's even more beautiful because you see it's uneven. This thumb is not the same length or even size as the other fingers, right? In the same way, and this should be your approach when you're thinking about freeform locks, right? They are akin to nature. Freeform locks just emulate what you see in nature, alright? Nature has a way of using chaos and bringing it to order. Right? Nature has a way of bringing that which is not aesthetic or anesthetic and making it aesthetic. Nature has a way of bringing that which is considered disorderly or in disarray, right, and brings it into something, in the course of its development, into something which is pleasant, which is harmonious. That's the fantastic thing about nature. Look at the trees. I have a tree right here in front of me, and when you look at the way the branches are, right, it's not necessarily symmetric, right? But that unevenness is what gives it its beauty, right? I want to say that unevenness gives it its spontaneity. Freeform locks, among all the other types of locks, give you that raw, natural, untainted, not manipulated experience, right? And the result or the end result is this beautiful mane, right? Which is uneven. The sizes of the locks are generally different. You have thicker ones, you have thinner ones, and that mix right there. If you ask me, I'm still on my journey right now, but I would love to have, like, you know, a lock here that's coming down here thin, and then you have the other ones thick around it, short ones, long ones, and you have that mix around it. For me, it's like music, all right? When you look at musical notes in the composition, the notes are not even. If the notes were even, then the song will be boring. It gives you what's called monotone. It's monotonous. Good example, but what I'm trying to say is that freeform locs really do they're a product of nature, right? And I'm advising you, G-Wall, right, to just keep your freeforms just the way they are. Just let them grow. Be it uneven or even or coarse, just let it be. Wash it when you need to. Dry it up. Just do what you can do. Do what you need to do. Wash and go, and they'll just find their way. They'll just grow. They know what to do. I often have this phrase that I say that freeform locs are naturally intelligent. They have natural intelligence. It's not AI, it's NI, right? Freeform locs are scientific. They have a way of interlocking like this and giving you something that is harmonious. So don't worry about it, okay, Gio? Just let it grow. Don't cut them. Just let them grow the way they are. And then you could style your hair later on as they grow, all right? So I'm rounding up right now, and if you agree with what I'm saying, I want to hear that in the comment. But more especially if you disagree, that will even be more interesting for me. I want to learn from you too. I want to know what you think about this. Should you cut your freeform locs to render them even, or should you just let them uneven? Right? So guys, stay locked, enjoy your journey, enjoy every piece of it. I'm really excited these days because I realized that you know I've been trying to move from a high top dread kind of presentation to a full head, and you see it's beginning to develop here on the sides, right? And I'm really excited these days. So I'm really encouraging you, if you're just starting, you're on day one, just keep on your journey, keep on, because nature doesn't lie. So guys, catch you on the next video and stay locked.